We are installing JupyterLab. I recommend the free Anaconda distribution. You find this link in the description below the video. Now I grab this link and I open this website in the browser. Paste and go. I click download to get the Windows installer. We will continue when the download is complete. The download has completed. Now I click the installer. But it is slow. It will take several minutes till the installer starts. Several minutes have passed, but the installer is finally up and running. The rest will be just as slow. Now I click next. Yes, I agree. Install for just me. Next. This folder is fine. Next. The defaults are okay. Install. And at this point, it seems as if the installer was frozen. It is not frozen, it is running in the background, so please be patient. It is very, very slow. It will take roughly 15 minutes on this machine. We will continue when the installation is done. Roughly 15 minutes have passed and the installer has completed. So let's finish things up. Next. Next. No, we don't want any ads. Finish. And that's all. We have successfully finished installing Anaconda and JupyterLab. Did this video help? Then please give it a thumbs up. Please like it. If you have any problems or questions, please leave a comment right below and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.